Hello everyone. Dreams don't happen by accident. They happen because we've prepared for them. So today we're saving for the future that we hope to enjoy down the road. Hey, welcome back everyone. My wonderful friends, I appreciate you being here. I am Valerie with Cash Budget Retiree. I'm so glad you're spending part of your day with me while we save for our dreams. So today I have $65 going into my long-term savings, and I'm using Mary Love Country Living's birthday challenge, and that's Granny's birthday. Happy birthday, Granny. There's a couple of them. You know what? I think that one, hold on a minute, 48 and 22. Okay, I'm doing, I think I'm going to do one and then save for the other one. And then let's put the envelopes here. That one she has gifted me with, beautiful sewing machine. You know, I have one of these, not this with these decals, but I have a featherweight sewing machine that is $221. If you are at all into vintage machines, there you go. You'll know what I'm talking about. But if you aren't familiar, go ahead and Google Singer Featherweight 221, and you'll see the kind of machine I have. I also have other machines, but yeah. All right, so we've got 5 envelopes today. Let's use 5 die. I like my fuchsia and yellow, blue and green and white. Yeah, we'll just use those. Okay, so we'll make sure you can see. Oh yeah, everybody looks good. All right, so folks, let's see. We're gonna do, I'll do pink, yellow, blue, green, white. Okay, pink, yellow, blue, green, white. Envelope 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pink, yellow, blue, green, white. Let's go for it. See what we end up with. Okay, pink is 1. Oh well, Mary Love Country Living, her birthday is Sunday the 9th. If you think about it, give her a hi, say Valerie from Cash Budget Retiree sent you, and let her know that you're thinking of her for her birthday. 4 for yellow. All right, pink, yellow, blue gets 2, green gets 6, and white gets 2. Okay, there we go. All right, let's try again. See what we end up with, folks. Okay, can't see the green real well. It was on an angle, so was the white, but I'm going to take what I see. Pink is 3, 1, 2, 3. Yellow is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue gets 1, green gets 2, and white gets 3. Okay, let's try again. So Mary Love Country Living, thank you for all these beautiful challenges, because I just love them, really. Pink, yellow, 3, 4, and 5. These are new bills that I crunched, but they are still sticking together. Pink, yellow, blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to save these, so whichever envelope didn't get a whole lot, I'm going to save it for that. Okay, so put that aside. Let's put these to the side. Okay, do this one first. This is her cute little piggy. She's got 30 here, plus she's got 10 on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Would you look at that? I am going to take the 10 on the back and use that first. Let's see, what color should we use? I'll use this orange, I guess. Okay, but I'm going to do the 10 on the back because I don't want to forget about them. Oh, this is going to take too long to be coloring all these colors, all these. 1, 2, maybe I'll have to speed it up for you. 3. Okay. All right, folks, there's my 10 for her little piggy challenge. And you know what I'm going to do is just help myself remember I saved for the 10 already. Okay, so we'll go with this one. This is a $34 challenge on the front and 10 on the back. Let's see how much we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'll do the 10 on the back, and let me do the 4 on the front before I forget. And I will speed you up. Hopefully I remember. There we go. Let's save. I'm just going to do this. Maybe I won't have to speed you up then. There we go. That'll help me know that I did color in the back, and then I can focus on saving for the front. Okay, come on, get in there. Okie dokie, Smokies. There we go. Little grandma sewing on her vintage sewing machine. I love it. All right, I do have a fancy schmancy sewing machine, but I use them both. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and $9. Well, I've got 10 on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I've got one more on the back. Did I get, you know what? Here you go. I'm going to put one extra here, and then this will be saved for. I like it. And I will cross off this $10 up there, and that helps me know I saved for the back. The back of her envelope. You know, anytime you can save money, any little bit helps. Okay. Alrighty, this one is mine, but this one is her beautiful birthday challenge, and I had to add one here so that I could make the numbers work. Okay, so how much do we have for this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alrighty. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, that one got a bunch today. This is going to save 26 total. And this is my quirky Rosie enjoying her bee friend Beatrice. And let's see. Our last, oh, you are kidding me. Oh, okay, it got a 10. I forgot I might have had a 10 in there. All right, so I got 14, but I've got 2 more, so $16 that I can save on Mary Love's celebrating Granny's birthday. Happy birthday, Mary. Okay, so let me see. What am I doing? Was that 14, you guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. Okay. So I know a 1 and a 2 and a 3. That sounds like Lawrence Welk. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 is $6. Another 6 is $12. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, Miss Mary Love, Country Living. I love this. So cute. I am highlighting Mary's birthday and celebrating you all month. You know what? Maybe I should have put that. Oh, that's right. It doesn't matter. Next week I'll try to remember to put both in. Okay. And you know what? I'm going to keep this money in here. And this money will go in the envelope. And later I'll just put it all together. Whatever. Okie dokie. Whoops. Helps to put the rest back, doesn't it? All right. Cute little piggy. This little piggy went to market. You remember that? Did you shake your little grandkids' toes or kids' toes? I did. It was fun. I don't think they got it, though. They were too young and didn't. It was like, Mom, what are you doing? But that's okay, because I had fun anyway. What do our kids put up with us? See that? That's a cute little quilted, I think it's like a Christmas ornament with a bow on it, but I just like it. So I put it in there. All right, so Mary Love Country Living, thank you for helping me save for my long-term savings. I'm going to save for my new auto, my travel, investments, and new home. By the end of the month, I hope to have $250. That's the plan. And that'll all get divvied up amongst those 4 budget categories for my long-term savings. All right, folks, I do care for you, and I am so appreciative of you. So live well, laugh often, love much, tell someone you love them. Mary Love Country Living, I love you. See you later. Bye, everyone. I'll see you on Monday for my high priority protection budget categories. Bye.